Visit is for the entire section. We started after New Bogaigaon, and this is a planned inspection where it noticed there are two types of inspection. One is surprise inspection that we have been doing. Sometimes go to the station and see the section. One is a systematic inspection where even advance notice is given that we'll be inspecting this section and station. So this we call annual inspection sort of thing, where it's a planned one and all departments work together and put up a good show and see that all the deficiencies are removed and so all the systems are in place. So by coordinated working, everything is set right. So that was the purpose.
Sir, few years back, Crocodile Station was declared as the model station. But still today, what's your expectation from the concerned department to make a model station in the Lorasam? It is the heart of.
See, these days the concept of model stations and there's nothing like model stations, but depending on the passengers, depending on the passenger earnings, the amenities, desirable amenities which are to be provided on stations, they are progressively being done. That is being done, and you would have seen that as far as the station is concerned, the station, as I saw today, you may be seeing it daily basis. It is quite beautiful. It is the pride of the entire region, I would say.
To make a proper utility of the station in coming days, to make a good communication by making the stoppage of the several stations.
Yeah, I think communication, yes, the demand has been put forward. Yes, some more trains should stop. We are working towards that. Actually, there are a number of superfast trains which cannot stop here. If we add that, then their superfast status is lost because it has to have minimum speed, average speed on that. If we stop a train, that means 15 to 20 minutes is gone. Even if we ask you only 2 minutes stop, then total time and our track occupation is by 15 to 20 minutes. And being the section Alipurduar from Alipurduar to Jalpaiguri, we still not have done the doubling. The doubling is in advanced stage and will be completed within a year.